officially, let's see, this is officially day two of our camping van life experience.
Yep.
We're at Hocking Hills State Park,
Going on a little walk.
Ohio.
Yep.
Yesterday, we got the van. You ready for a fun trip?
Yeah, we are.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. Got this cool van we're renting out. We're gonna go hit the road.
Yep.
Hocking Hills first, and then Shenandoah. Not Shenandoah.
New River Gorge.
New River Gorge National Park. There's times like these that I try to say something inspiring, and, but all that I can think of is fart jokes at the moment.
I got one. Would you rather have a remote control that can pause your farts mid-air or a device that instantly disperses the smell?
I need the dispersing one.
Mom, did you actually write that down?
We drove a lot. It's the hottest horseradish. It set me free. Also, Jessica had a caffeine-free Zevia earlier, and it really was kicking in. It really kicked in. Caffeine-free, sugar-free. She's feeling it now.
Bye, Michigan. Hello, Indiana. Woo.
We'll see you in Ohio.
Goodbye, Indiana. Hello, Ohio.
Joe's not sleeping, but she's trying.
Do you want to say hello, Ohio?
All right, official start to day 2. We just woke up. We're taking van life photos. JK,
We've been up for 2 hours and we're just getting coffee.
I think it's more than 2 hours.
Would you like to see my book so
Joe's
far?
written a whole book.
She's written a whole book.
It's 8:30.
8:30.
It's called Lucy in the Lost Kitten.
There's no water in the campground.
No.
So
we've got
bathroom coffee percolating. I'm excited.
It smells so good.
It smells so good. Get some of that percolator coffee.
Oh. I need coffee right now.
Coffee right now. Oh. Joe made a whole book.
She wrote a whole book.
She wrote a whole book. She's an author now.
Yes, and slash illustrator.
What was the best part of yesterday?
To get in the van was cool.
Get in the van.
Here
We're gonna
it
go
falls.
see Old Man's Cave and see some waterfalls.
It's a really pretty waterfall.
We are gonna go down.
That is cool.
We gotta meander our way through. We're gonna go adventuring in the cave. Hey, get away from that waterfall. It starts thinning out a bit, eh? I like doing videos of people going over bridges for some reason. Most of my videos are going to be her taking pictures. Really nice trail. We're going over this crazy ass bridge. This park is way more crowded than I was anticipating it to be. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I thought it was cool. No, why?
Cool, but it's just scary.
Yeah, I
It's
don't like it.
just no railings on it.
There's no picture needed because it's too dark. I can't even see it anyway. Oh, there's a step. There's a step over there.
Good thing you got light up shoes, eh?
Your shoes are lighting up the whole trail.
Pretty cool, huh? Cool. I think Joe is actively trying to kill herself, and Jessica is actively saving her life, step by step.
Could be worse.
We've gone about maybe
We've been gone for
we've gone 3/4 of a mile.
40 minutes.
We've gone 40 minutes.
I am hungry for chippies.
It's been quite the day. Just I'm parched. We're low on water.
We are low on water. Also low on energy.
Also low on energy.
Overdoing it. And look at this waterfall.
Ta-da. There's a really crying child behind us. It's a cool bridge.
Exactly. Okay, you ready?
I got stairs to climb up, metal stairs. Who knew in Ohio? I got another little cave. And get your shoes going on, Joe.
Wow. Joe, okay, let's not hurt ourselves. Well, we'll be okay. One step at a time. We're almost done.
Waterfalls are our favorite.
Okay, we're leaving Hocking Hills.
It was a great trip.
What was the highlights of Hocking Hills specifically?
The waterfalls.
Waterfalls?
The waterfall where there was a bridge and then the waterfall under it.
The toilet?
The toilet?
No, not
Why?
that one.
Why was the toilet a highlight?
That was kind of fun.
I
toilet?
didn't say that one was the
Toilet,
highlight.
like where the water was like toileting?
No.
Oh, that toilet. Not just now. Okay.
Okay, Joe, please you explain it again.
It was the one with like the,
The first one?
yeah.
Okay, the first one. We're leaving Ohio. We got on a bridge.
Ohio.
Hello, West Virginia. How was Ohio?
Give Hocking Hills a solid 8 out of 10. The rest of Ohio, 2.
It got prettier as we drove.
Yeah.
Joe, do you want to watch us crossing the Ohio River?
Nah. I got more important things to do.
I'm trying to get eggs.
We're going brown river.
On my eggs.
Alright, say goodbye, Ohio.
Bye, Ohio.
Hello, West Virginia.
Hello, West Virginia.
Mount Mama. It's springtime in West Virginia where there's flowering trees and buds growing on all the bushes.
Butts.
Buds.
Ew.
Buds. Come on. We made it. West Virginia.
Joe had a tummy ache, but she's feeling better now.
The roads really did us in.
Here's our campsite. We are on an angle, folks. The GoPro won't do it because it's weird like that. They had beer up at the front, and Jessica got her tablecloth out, and they put firewood in feed bags because there's goats. And here we are. Pretty cool. So we moved campsites because we were just, there's no leveler things on this vehicle. So no matter where I parked it over there, we were gonna have our one end going downhill. And I don't really want to sleep like that for 3 nights. So Jessica walked up to the gatehouse and had us move 2 spots down. Much more level. However, the van is like a mile away from our picnic table because it starts to go downhill again. But while we were up there, got a fun drink.
Playing a Red Wings game.
They're playing a Red Wings Spot It game over here.
Yeah.
Joe has the coolest poncho on.
That's true.
This trip's fun new drink,
Joe is beating Mom by a lot of points.
Dirtbag Ales from North Carolina.
North Carolina.
It's pretty good.
Wait, I have
It's a don't be sour. It's a little sour, just a little bit.
Who's gonna fart next? Is it Danny? Is it Jessica? Or is it me? Find out next time when somebody farts.
For dinner, we're enjoying a delectable camp nacho.
It could be a little more melty. Not too bad, Barbara's dry.
Not too bad.
Someone today.
Pretty good.
We did
Everybody
meat and beans in the pan, topped with chips, and then cheese.
Just
Oh, you got salsa.
Who will get the
Too
most
late.
suits out of this day?